External wall insulation installation can transform a property's energy efficiency, but if not done correctly, it can lead to major issues. Let's go over the most common EWI installation problems and how to fix them for long-lasting results. First, adhesion failure. If insulation boards aren't properly secured, they can detach over time. This is usually caused by insufficient adhesive or improper mechanical fixings. To fix this, always ensure the substrate is clean, primed and dry before applying adhesive. Use the correct amount of adhesive, either a full coverage method or perimeter and dab technique, depending on the surface. When using mechanical fixings, follow the manufacturer's recommended pattern and depth to secure the boards firmly. Next, thermal bridging. This happens when gaps between insulation boards allow heat to escape, reducing efficiency. To prevent this, boards should be tightly butted together, leaving no gaps. If gaps do appear, fill them with expanding insulation foam or thin slices of insulation to maintain continuity. Overlapping joints with reinforcement mesh at weak points can also minimize thermal bridging. Another common issue is cracking in the render finish. This is often due to insufficient reinforcement or movement in the insulation layer. Always embed a high-quality reinforcement mesh within the base coat, ensuring full coverage. Pay extra attention to stress points, like around windows and doors, by using diagonal mesh patches. Also, allow proper curing times between layers to prevent shrinkage cracks. Moisture issues and damp penetration can occur if water-resistant measures aren't correctly applied. If water gets behind the insulation, it can cause major structural damage. To avoid this, ensure that all joints are sealed properly, apply a breathable yet water-resistant render, and install appropriate drip details at windows and sills to direct water away from the system. Poor fixing methods can lead to instability, especially in high-wind areas. If mechanical fixings are not installed at the right depth or pattern, the system may not perform as expected. Always check wind load calculations and use the recommended number of fixings per square metre. Additionally, stagger fixings across the insulation boards for better weight distribution. Finally, insufficient ventilation can cause trapped moisture, leading to mould and deterioration. EWI systems must allow walls to breathe while preventing damp issues. Choose breathable insulation materials and ensure adequate ventilation around windows, doors and roof lines. If necessary, consider installing ventilation channels or vents to maintain airflow. By addressing these common external wall insulation installation issues, you can ensure a more durable, efficient and professional finish. Avoid these mistakes and your EWI projects will stand the test of time.